If you're a day trader, you probably saw HKD go on this crazy run today, and I want to show you how rare this is. So if you traded it, congrats. If you didn't, completely okay, because typically this type of setup never runs this big. I'm going to take you into my tracker over here, and I'm going to show you all of the stats that back it up. So if I just hit the reset button on my tracker, you can see 2,337 breakouts is what I've tracked. So I'm going all based off the data. This isn't based off feelings, emotions, or intuition. So there's two things that typically really directly correlate to how far a stock is going to run. The very first thing that I want you to keep in mind whenever you're about to trade a breakout is going to be the market cap, okay? Typically, as a rule of thumb, the lower the market cap, the more potential the stock has to run, because these are smaller companies and they typically move off of more speculation. The higher the market cap, typically the slower the stock will run. Now, when this thing broke out in pre-market, this market cap was sitting between $500 to $700 million in pre-market when it broke out. Now, the free flow right here also has a direct correlation to how far stock can run. So, for example, 197 million shares on the float. This is a much larger free flow. What you want to see for market cap and free float for the best chance to catch an 80% plus rocket is to have both of those below 50 million. So now, let me take you into my dashboard here, and I want to give you the numbers to back it up. I've tracked many different breakouts. So right here for market cap, I can simply filter through, and I can say, okay, for all of the stocks that have between a 500 million to $1 billion market cap, when they broke out, let's see how many trades I've tracked. So over the past 9 months, I've tracked 90 of these breakouts. And out of the 90, only 19 of those stocks after they broke out ran for 15% or more. And if you want to type in 80%, which is how much HKD ran after it broke out, only 2 out of those 90 stocks ran for 80% or more, which means the win rate is only 2.25%.